Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my lovely students. Welcome to class 3, subject EVS. Today we will see chapter number 2, the plant fairy, part number 1. Chapter number 2, the plant fairy. Let's see what the lesson is trying to say us. Last Sunday we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We play hide and seek. Student, what do you mean by hide and seek? Chupa chup and antakshari. We had a lot of fun. Now children are telling that last Sunday we went to the garden to our neighborhood and we played there two games. One is hide and seek and the second one is antakshari, and they had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today." Didi said that let us play a new game today. Let's see who is Didi in this chapter. Okay, the girl who is sitting in the middle, she is the Didi and she told to play a new game. Let's see which is that new game. We played this game in the camp last year. What Didi told that this game we play in the camp last year. I will become a plant fairy. What Didi told? What she is going to become? A plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something and you all will have to touch it. Didi told that I will tell you something to go and touch that and you all have to touch that. Means she will give the order to the children and children have to obey her order. Now the game began. Didi said, the plant fairy asks you to touch a plant. At once all the children run towards the plant. Didi told that now children you go and touch the plant. What Didi told that you have to touch the plants, different plants. So children went to the garden and they started touching the different plants. The first plant, Amu held the marigold plant. The girl which you are seeing in the pink dress, her name is Amu and she touched which plant? Marigold plant. Shabnam said touching the jasmine plant. She is the Shabnam and she touched which plant? Jasmine. He is Dayaram, caught hold a neem tree and stood there. He is Dayaram and he hold the neem tree. And he is Michael, touch a mehndi bush. Which plant Michael touched? Mehndi bush. Now student, as you all know that we all are putting mehndi, right? Your mother, your sister, auntie, they all put the mehndi occasionally in their hands, right? So what happened? We have to paste. We have to make the paste of the mehndi plant. Then we have to crush it. We have to crush this plant. Then we have to make the paste of it, and then we have to apply on our hand. Now let's see the next what they are going to do. Okay. Now, Didi said, very good, everyone has touched a plant, but have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other? Didi told to the children that very good, you have touched the plant, I appreciate, but have you noticed that all the plants were different from each other? Let's move again to, yes. Now, can you see your student? All the children have touched to the different plants. Amu touched the marigold plant, Shabnam touched the jasmine plant, Dayaram hold neem tree and Michael touched the mehndi bush. So all the plants are different from each other. Yes, they are different from each other. Yes. Now see, sitting on little plant, said Shabnam. What Shabnam told? Didi, you are also sitting on a little plant, said Shabnam. Can you name the plant on which Didi is sitting? Let's see again. Didi is sitting on which plant? So children, can you see the Didi sitting in the center? She is sitting on a grass. Which plant she is sitting on a? She is sitting on a grass. So the answer is grass. Now see the next. The game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. Now what the Didi gave the next instruction? That go and touch the trunk which is thick or a thin. Now can you see the two different kinds of tree whose trunk is thick and the next one is thin? Thick means, can you see the trunk which you are seeing that Amu, Shabnam and Dayaram is holding? That is a thick trunk. And the Michael is holding, that is a thin trunk. So can you see the difference between a thick and a thin trunk? Yes. Now see the next. The children ran again, touched the tree with the thick or a thin trunk. Have you seen a tree which a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? Now Didi is telling that have you ever seen the trunk which is the thick or a thin? She is asking to the children. Now see. Michael found the game very interesting. Who find the game very interesting? Michael. He thought how lucky the plant fairy was. He is telling that wow, Didi is so lucky. Why Didi is so lucky? She could order everyone around. He is telling that wow, Didi is giving the order to us and we are following her order. Now I want to be a plant fairy, said Michael. What Michael told? That I want to be also a plant fairy. The children laughed aloud. All the children laughed very loudly. Why? By listening to the Michael, because he told that I want to become a plant fairy. Now see what happened. A boy fairy. They were now ready to take order from the new plant fairy. So who is the new plant fairy in this chapter now? Michael. Michael said, get me some leaves quickly. What order Michael gave to the children? That go and collect the leaves quickly for me. But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the plant, said Didi. But what Didi told to the children? That children, you do not have to pluck the leaves from the plant. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. Children obey the Didi. They listened to the Didi, what the Didi told them. Didi told them that not to pluck the leaves from the plant. So the children ran and collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. So children, here we complete the chapter part 1. The chapter part 2 we will be seeing in the next section. Now we will be seeing the notes of this chapter. Welcome to e-learning. Class 3rd, notes of chapter number 2, the plant fairy, part 1. So student, here is the note of part 1. So let's see. The first question is the keyword. As keyword we are taking as a name the following. The first one is trunk. What do you mean by trunk? The thick main stem of a tree on which branches grow. The second one is plug. To take hold of something and remove it by pulling it out. H-U-E, huge. The third one is H-U-E, hue, the color or a shade of a color. The fourth one is D-E-W, dew, the tiny drops of water that usually form on leaves and grass during the night. Now our next topic is, question is, choose the correct answer. Now see the first one. What is the first one? Chupan chupai means. What do you mean by chupan chupai? The chupan chupai means is known as in English hide and seek. The second one, grass is a type of, so grass is a type of bush. Number 3, children Dex pluck the leaves from the plant. So what Didi gave them instruction? Should not. So children should not pluck the leaves from the plant. Number 4, what did the children play in the garden? So children play a new game in the garden. What did Didi become in the game? What did Didi become in the game? A plant fairy. So student, here we end the notes of part 1. The next notes we will be seeing in the part 2. So I hope you all enjoy. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.